Yo, what's up guys, I am UZAIR and you are the Sardar UZAIR Techno YouTube channel. So friend, as you know, today's video is about how to convert your simple keyboard to the mechanical keyboard without investing your money. This is a very free purpose and very easy way to make your simple keyboard to the mechanical keyboard and make the keyboard sound like a mechanical. It's a very awesome sound. So let's start the video. Going to my browser, you can choose your browser as you like. Open the new tab and search for the MyVB's keyboard sound download. Now click on the first website coming up on the page, scroll down the page and going to download it from, and you can see here release. Click on the release and scroll down and select the setup that you want to download. I select the navibs.setup.2.3.0.exe and click on it and click on the start download. It is only 61 MB software. Take some time if your network is slow. My net is also slow today at this time, so wait for the downloading. And friend, please subscribe my channel and like my video if you like it, and share the video. Okay, now friend, you can see my downloading is complete, and I go to create folder for this. You can choose your location must, and I'm going to download section and program. There's a setup. Now the downloading installing is complete now. Okay, I going to the choose sound for keyboard and increase the volume. Now if you can hear my keyboard sound, what an awesome sound, like a mechanical keyboard. I convert the simple keyboard to the mechanical keyboard. Second sound, third sound. This is a nice sound. I selected. I'm going to the notepad and going for typing. Okay friend, Allah Hafiz, bye bye, tata. I am coming with another video, very usable video and tech video. Okay, bye bye, tata.